Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I'm really excited to share with you guys my latest obsession to my skincare routine, facial cupping. These facial cups are from Lure Essentials, and I love them. I really enjoy this technique. It's invigorating, and it's a safe and natural way to help my skin age gracefully. This process encourages lymphatic drainage, so I instantly notice a decrease in puffiness. It's encouraging blood flow and circulation, and it helps to promote collagen reproduction, but honestly, the list goes on. This set comes with 4 facial cups total, 2 larger ones and 2 smaller ones. The smaller ones are great for like around your lips or under your eyes, and it also comes with an exfoliating facial scrubber. The technique is simple. You squeeze the cup onto your face until you feel it pull, and then simply glide it upwards away from your nose and toward your hairline. You'll definitely want to use an oil-based serum so that the cup glides effortlessly. If you've tried cupping elsewhere on your body, you know it can cause bruising, but rest assured, I haven't had any issues with bruising, so don't let that freak you out. As with most skincare products, I think it's important to keep in mind that long-term consistency is important and how much it benefits you. If you're looking for a safe and natural way to help you age with confidence, I would definitely recommend these facial cups from Lure Essentials. I know I have fallen in love with this technique, and you just might love it as well. But that's just my point of view.